What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Today we will be doing another pack openings, and today we will be opening a gold pack, 8 team hero. I don't know what, club training packs, and 1 club match pack. So this club match pack provides one of the club heroes. So let's see if we get an elite or not. 1, 2, 3. Bam! It's a silver. So let's open the remaining 9 packs. First club training pack. Okay, another silver. Bad. Gold, please give me a gold. No. Why not a gold? Come on, please give me a gold, EA. Okay, quick sell. EA, give me a gold. Give me a gold, EA. Another silver. Another one. EA, gold. Oh, another silver. 3 more club training packs left. Bam. Another silver. The Park Joe. What? Bam. Okay, this is not bad. We got a Real Madrid player. So to the next pack. Bam. Another silver. So now it's time for the goalkeeper pack. I've got an elite before in this pack. This pack is actually quite good. Let's see if we get an elite this time again. Oh, come on. Pack luck is bad. It is bad. Okay, let's play some club champions. Let's see if we can win some more packs. Come on, shoot. What are you doing, Lucas Perez? Just shoot. Yes. Easy job. Give it to me. Yes, Lucas Perez. What a goal. Okay, we get 1 more pack to open, and I'll end this. Come on, give me gold. Gold. Red paint. Okay, another silver. So I've got Ricketts. He's quite good. So I've got Obama. I'm selling him for 519k, 520k. Let's see if someone will buy him to get some profit. I got him from Team Heroes pack opening before. So this is the end, and please subscribe and leave a like on this video. I will make more videos later. Peace.